Hi, this is Nandini recording on Samosa Journey for Chennai Dosa Express. We all know samosa as our favorite pastry item. Let's examine the samosa's origin and journey. Believed to be originated in Central Asia, the samosa later became the favorite food in East Asian countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and more. Similarly, many African and European cuisines integrated samosa into their food. When Europeans, Africans, and Asians moved to the Americas, they brought samosas along with them. Now, let's see different names for samosa in the world. In most places, it is called samosa or samsa. However, in some languages, they have different names for it. Samosa is derived from the Persian language sanbugzag. In Arabic, it is called sambusa. Most parts of East Asia, like India and Pakistan, it is called samosa, but in Bengali, it is called singara. In Swahili, it is called samusa, and in Afrikaans, it is called saduvasa. Generally, samosa is made in two sizes, a small triangular shape or a big cone shape. Samosa fillings can be anything of your imagination. Fillings can be either vegetarian-friendly or meat. In the Middle East, it is mostly lamb or goat. In Africa, it is mainly beef. India has a lot of variety of vegetarian fillings. Potatoes, peas, and onions are two favorite ones. Now let's see how to make the samosa. The ingredients to make samosa sheets are white flour, vegetable oil, water, salt, and ajwan. We will use the KitchenAid mixer to demonstrate the steps. Let's see how to make samosa dough using the KitchenAid mixer. Fix the mixer bowl and make sure that it sits properly as demonstrated in the video. Next, add white flour in the bowl. Some people would prefer wheat flour, but the process is the same for both. Next, add 3 spoons of vegetable oil, 1 spoon of ajwain, and salt to taste. And then add a little water and we are ready to mix up the dough. Start the mixer on speed 1 and make sure that you add water in small quantities. You'll see that the dough is getting mixed properly, but in between, stop the KitchenAid and push all the flour from the sides so that the dough gets mixed properly. And if needed, add water. Please use only water in room temperature. Do not use hot or cold water. I would not recommend doing it by hand because it is very painful for your wrist. But when you see a big ball of dough, at this time add 2 spoons of oil and let it beat the dough. This is so the oil gets applied to all parts of the dough. When you are happy with the dough, you can stop the KitchenAid and collect the samosa dough. You can purchase the pasta sheeter separately from KitchenAid. Fix the pasta sheeter firmly in the mixer stand. Make sure that the pasta sheeter is very tightly placed and screw it well before you start the machine. Double check, and now you are ready to make samosa sheets. First, keep the settings in the first speed. Now, pass the dough through the pasta sheeter for multiple rounds. When you are satisfied, you can go for a lower setup. 6, 7, or 8 are recommended, but it's based on your dough. Now your sheets are ready. As shown in the video, cut your sheets into squares. Now prepare your favorite fillings. A very well-known one is potatoes and peas, or potato masala. Apply a little water and make the cones as shown in the video. After adding the filling to the cones, watch the video carefully on how to close the cones. After you finish folding the samosas, which is shown now, you will be ready to fry them. Please subscribe to Chinedo's Express YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in another video.